are in general things we are using it in a daily basis, right? You're logged in into some application, so you can see this form that is login form. For that, for you need to do first sign up. After that, already existing the credentials, you need to go login form. And you're forgetting any password and username, you need to go the third option, that will be the forward form. So here, how to build and what is the syntax for this? Means you need to take first label one, label tag. So it will indicate the label like name. Okay, how you are giving the text over there, it will be shown same as it is in the browser as well. Here the label one, and here input. So the text box will be presented over there. Okay, input. So here you need to indicate the type will be, that is the text format or else password, date, calendar, something. You need to give in the attribute format. I'm going to take here the text as well. So here I'm going to ending with it. So we don't have the ending tag for input. Okay, so you need to start this one using the form tag. Okay, form tag. So end with the form tag only. End with the form tag only. And after that, you have given the name, the text box, and something, any the messages or something. You need to use the button. So for that, it will be the submit button. So here directly you can give as the submit as well, like this. Okay. So these examples I show you in the Visual Studio Code using HTML tags. Okay, open, already you have created one folder on a desktop, right? Go to the particular desktop, that will be the code. Here select this path, CMD, here code, space, dot, enter. Code, space, dot, enter. So the particular folder will be open in your Visual Studio Code. So inside of the folder, we need to save the files. So why? Because the screen of the screen and all the screens will be in your folder only. That will be your project. Okay. So click on the file here. Take forms dot html, enter. So what is the extension for saving HTML? That will be the HTML or HTML. Okay. So the bytecode, enter. So the structure of code will be presented here. After that, you need to take the title of the form, that will be the external HTML. We are writing that. That will be forms. Here, I'm going to taking the h2 tag for heading. So I'm building here the contact as form. Okay. So I'm giving the contact as here. Okay. So it will be presented like a second highest heading tag, right? Second heading highest tag. So here, open your browser. So here, see what I have given in the title section, it will be presented here. And here, what I have given in the inside of the h2 tag, it will be presented contact us like. Okay, after that, you need to prepare one form using form tag. Okay, so form tag. So here I am writing the label. The label will be what? The anything name, it will be present inside of the label. Okay, so I'm giving here the name. Okay, so here for I'm taking the for will be the attribute, in will be used in a JavaScript while you are going to writing the actions for that. Okay, so just go to your Chrome and see here how it will be present. What you have given in the label section, that will be presented like this. And after that, you need to take input. You need a text box, right? So for that, you need to take input. I'm indicating the type here. The type will be the text box. In the text, what will be accepted means that will be accepted. That will be accepted the numbers, alphabeticals, and all. It will be accepted. Special characters also. You have to take in the type. It will be accepted all. Okay, I'm taking ID. So ID will be the unique. It will be used in the JavaScript as well. So here I'm giving the name. Required. Why I'm using this required means the validations I'm using here. So if you are not filling this particular form, it will throw as an error message. What is that error message means? It will be not presented like that. It will be represented at the error message like that. Okay. So here I'm going to depression. So see here like this. So I'm going to give the break. It will be breaks the line. VR, it will be breaks the line. Okay, it will comes to next line like this. Okay, so here see what I'm typing here. I'm typing 1, 2, 3 alphabet numerical values it is taking, alphabetical values it is taking, and here at the rate also it is taking. Means the special characters also it is taking, right? So that will be the text type what I'm taking. Okay. So after that, I'm taking to break here. Why? Because I need some space. Okay, some space like that I need. So after that, you need to take the label for. I'm taking the email field here. Okay, email field here. So I'm giving email. Okay. So we need text box. So I'm taking break the line here. Directly I'm taking. So input tag means what? We don't have any tag for that. Okay. So type I'm taking only the email format only it will accept it. The ID I'm taking the unique thing that will be the email corresponding I'm taking. Okay. So 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 name also I'm taking here. Name also email only I'm taking. So it will specify that the specific column indicates what. Okay. So required. So break BR. Okay. Let's see. So see here. It will only accept the iterate and all the things. I'll show you end of this form how the error messages will be through, how the type, what I'm taking the type, what it will be represented, and all the things I'll show you at the end of this form. So here I'm taking the label one, and for here the message I'm taking, and the message I'm taking here the label name will be the message. Okay. Here we break, we are. Okay. Break means what? Break also for we don't have the ending tag for that. So the break I'm in input for specifying what? Will specifying the text box. Okay. So here I'm taking ID. ID will be the attribute that will be the unique values will be accepted, and the name. So in will JavaScript we will take this one, and here the message rows only it will accepted. I'm taking only the 4 rows. Okay, and the columns also I will take only the 5 columns. Until that it won't accept extra space and extra columns, extra rows. It won't be accepted over there. And here I'm taking the required field. Here break. Okay, here also break. Okay. So here the label I'm taking another field label for phone number I'm taking. Okay. So phone number. Okay. As you reach people, you can add any of the fields as per client requirement. Input, input, type, number. Type only it will accept. Don't accept all the political and all the things. It won't be accepted. I'm going to give the break. And here I'm required the required. And here I will take break, break. Okay. For that we need to take input, input type, number. No. I need to take a finally in submit button. Okay, so type will be submit as well and the value here submit. Okay, so the form will be created and how it will be accepted the types. I have given the type here, the text and email, text, email, the message, the phone number, how it will be, and type also I have taken the submit here. You will see, go to your Chrome browser and refresh this one. So here see, here the validation is added. What is that validation I have added there? That will be the required. So while I'm going to submitting this button, so it's showing the error message. Please fill out this field. Okay. So build they have the predefined functions. So like that it will be shown like that. Okay. So I have taken the gesture here and so see here just I'm taking only the it is already showing the email format it wants to be given. So for that I'm taking the registry just normal one. I'm not applying any email format here. So it will be show. So please include the at the rate email address like that. So it will show the error message as well. Why? Because I have added that type to that one. So now it will take and after that here the message format. The message format it will take you know, so the message format only it will accepted that how many that will be the columns and rows the 5 and 4 I have taken. Not an issue, you can give any message like that. So after that here it will only accept the number values. Okay, it won't be accepted the uh, alphabetical values here. Okay, so you can take and submit this as well. So see here the message what I have given here it is shown like. So here email address I have taken like that. It will be encrypted here. So it will be presented like this. Okay, are you understanding what I am telling? So you can give as a max length, minimum length also it will accept it here. Okay, I am not giving anything here. Just normal thing I have given there. And you can give the validation as well. You can take as well here the max length. Max that will add you max max length. Okay, I am taking 10. It won't accept it after this will more numbers. It will see. Oh, it will accepting. Just a second. I think not like this. It will accepting it. I think I will add max length and minimum length also here. Minimum length.